Oh, and here we go into another store. We just bought some things. We're at store number 2. And we're at a store number 2? That fast? I'm amazed. Oh my gosh. So our first ride of the night is going to be Blasters Buzz Lightyear.
Wait, that one?
Yeah. No, I didn't. I did. They temporarily closed the ride, so we couldn't get on it. Is that how he sounded? Crazy. There's a lot of like attractions that are closed. All the storybook ones. Buzz Lightyear closed on us. It also was like open was like 65-minute wait. Caribbean, Indiana Jones, Thunder Mountain. Milk chocolate marshmallow, please.
You're gonna use it correctly?
I'm gonna do a s'more Rice Krispie, and I want this too, please.
Yeah.
Do you want a bag as well?
Yes, please.
Okay. Alright, did you have your discount? Oh, sorry. Did you want your receipt today?
Yes, please. I was like, yes, I want the discount too.
I'm all over the place right now.
Oh, I really like the backpack because
Thanks.
you're welcome. There's a look at it's a little cat and an eyeball, and then over here it's is it Daisy? Yeah, there's Daisy just, and then this one Mickey. Oh no, Minnie. No, that's Mickey. No, that's Minnie. It's Mickey. Minnie doesn't have a bow. I mean, Mickey doesn't have a bow.
He doesn't have a bow.
That's what I'm saying. It's a bow right there. Okay. She has eyelashes.
Oh, and then Mickey's down here.
This is cute too.
Just plain on the back.
They should do a black one. That would have been nice black.
How did you feel breaking in your shoes today?
A lot of great choice. Some decisions made and regrets that were also my pinky toes. They're supposed to be like this, and they're like
How?
supposed to be like this, but they're like.
I got my Crocs on with my socks on. Here we go, exiting the park. Very sad. What time did we get here? Well, there wasn't that much. Today I felt like it was a little kind of disappointing. Maybe that's what kind of gave us that's why they let us come in free. So the person at the parking lot was just saying go in. So maybe that's why, because everything was freaking closed. There's no point in paying 30 bucks parking if everything was closed.
The wait times are like 20, 15 minutes, 30 max. That was nice. Those were the good times.
Those were the days.
Exiting to the driver's right hand side towards the Pixar ball, away from the bushes.